Panumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahugtan ko ang tanan. Ni panumpa kong digyo ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Kanimo lang.
Nestled in the heart of South Cotabato, Philippines, lies the captivating municipality of Tampakan, a land brimming with natural wonders, cultural heritage, and a warm, welcoming spirit. Officially known as the Municipality of Tampakan, is a second-class municipality renowned for its rich agricultural landscape, where lush coconut plantation and verdant rice field paint a picturesque backdrop to the town's vibrant life. The natives of Tampakans were Blaan, from whom the name of the place was derived from, Tampaken, a Blaan word which means spring. The Blaans are renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship, their nimble hands weaving intricate patterns into basket, adorning beadworks with vibrant colors, and fashioning traditional attire that reflect their beauties and cultural identities. Susong Dalaga is a haven for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. It is a natural wonder that will leave you in awe. It is named after its unique formation, resembling the silhouette of maiden's breast. Get ready to embark on exhilarating camping experiences while trekking through the stunning landscape of this hidden gem. Colondatal Nature Park, where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles the beauty of nature. Get ready for a camping experiences that combines the joy of sipping coffee with thrilling outdoor activities. Look no further than Colondatal Nature Park, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of nature's paradise. Deep within the verdant embrace of Tampakan lies the haven for adventure seekers and natural enthusiasts, Jada's Farm. This idyllic getaway offers more than just a place to camp. It provides a getaway to the breathtaking beauty of Taal Falls, a natural spectacle that will leave you mesmerized. Taal Falls is a cascading masterpiece of nature, plunging down to the series of rock formation and creating a breathtaking mist-filled spectacles. Embark on the thrilling hike through the lush landscape, following the trail that leads to the foot of the falls. Jada's Farm offers a unique camping experiences like no other. Escape to the breathtaking beauty of Jada's Farm, where the adventure meets the tranquility. Embark on an unforgettable adventure amidst its captivating natural beauty. Tampakan warmly invite camping enthusiasts. With its diverse range of camping sites, captivating attractions, and abundance of outdoor activities. Tampakan provides a unique escape into the wilderness, where you can reconnect with nature, create cherished memories, and discover the true essence of camping. Tampakan isn't just a destination, it is a playground for adventurous spirit. Camp Pakan, where nature and adventure converge for an experience like no other.